Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 Vermeer 605M with 11,000 bales. This round baler produces 5x6 foot bales. It features a wide pickup with hydraulic lift, along with auto twine wrap control and net surface wrap, and an electronic bale monitor and high flotation tires. Thank you for viewing this Vermeer 605M. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.